Hi friends, I wanted to show you a quick tip on making sure that the course that we're using this year is front and center on your Schoology page. So when you open up Schoology, this course might not be right here in the corner, easy to get to. So what you want to do is click on Courses, go to My Courses over here, and then the one that we are only going to be working in this year is called Social Skills and Work Habits. That's the one that we want all the way at the top. So over here, this gray bar says Reorder Courses. You want to find the one with our pink logo there and drag it to the top. So this little hand shows me that I can move all of these around. So wherever this course is, make sure that you've dragged it all the way to the top. And then you don't have to click save or anything, you just exit out. Then when you go back to your home page and you're on course dashboard, it should be right there, so it's super easy to find and get to.